guys, it's Sharkshe and welcome back to my channel. Today's video is something which is very special because this is about that one product that I have been obsessed with, and this is that one product which I cannot live without. Now there are a lot of aloe vera gel out there in the market, but the one that I swear by and the one that I love, the Wow Aloe Vera Gel, 89% pure aloe vera gel in the bottle. Now I don't only love this because of the packaging. Like, this literally looks exactly like aloe vera. I actually happen to have a aloe vera plant at my house itself. When I am free, remove the aloe vera gel from the aloe vera and I use it. When I use this, give me a very similar result. Feels the same on the skin. Now there might be a lot of aloe vera gels out there in the market. Most of them have like that green color in them. Those aloe vera gels are colored. They have a lot of chemical in them and it's not good for your skin and all of that. For example, this bottle is green in color, but when I remove the product and when I show you, it's transparent. I'm not going to show you a brand, but other aloe vera gels have this green color, and itself should tell you that how much chemical and harmful things are there with it. I'm going to show you all some of the ways that I love using this aloe vera gel. I like to use aloe vera gel as a primer. In fact, today for my makeup base, I've used aloe vera gel itself and my makeup is settling pretty well. Second use is the moisturizer, of course. Not only on the face, I use this wherever I can, on my elbows, I use it on my knees, I use it on my hands and legs, everywhere. So this works great as a moisturizer as well. Most of the times I suffer from dry end, like my hair ends happen to be very dry. I take like 2 drops of the aloe vera gel. Section of my hair where it's dry, I just happen to just put it towards the end. I just twist it like that. I'm good to go. It looks pretty healthy, so that's one thing I really like to do. Another way I really like to use aloe vera gel is for, of course, my scalp, my dandruff. Take some amount of aloe vera gel, roll it, put in my scalp in the roots. Put it in your entire hair, you leave it throughout the night, and next day you wash your hair. Your scalp and your hair will turn out to be really healthy and clean and dandruff free. Next way how I like to use the aloe vera gel is as a conditioner. 2 spoons of aloe vera gel, then I take the omega-3 capsule, mix it up and I put it in my hair. This works great as my hair conditioner. This one's going to be super useful to almost everybody out there. Summer season is going on and most of us tend to get sunburn. So when I get sunburn, what I do is apply it to the affected area twice a day, and within 2 days the sunburn will be completely gone. This definitely helps me a lot during the summer season. So that was my video dedicated to my one favorite product. I'm going to leave the link to this product down in the description box below. You can go and purchase it if you want. Again, this is not sponsored. I genuinely love this product. Hope you guys like this video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, hit on the bell icon, follow me on my social media, and I'll see you all next time. Bye.